Hi everyone, I'm Interhigh Becker, the head boy of Windhoek High School for the year of 2024. I'm here today with the culture students, just here for support. I will be participating tomorrow in the triathlon, doing the running section, and then on Saturday for the first team game. But yeah, mostly throughout the week I'm just going to be here for the support, bring the gears, and yeah, come out in numbers to come support Windhoek High School in the Blue Wave. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jaden Newster and I'm the head editor of Windhoek High School's Blow Kudu editorial team. Today we are going to start off or kick off the Interhigh season with a bang, starting off with our culture segment. Today we will be doing the poetry, choir, debating and drama acts, and I'm just looking forward to it because I myself am participating in drama, and I'm also here not just as that but obviously as part of the editorial team and LRC member. So I'm really looking forward to everything that's going to take place throughout the entire week, not just today.